I'm Dana Joe, and this is Silly Billy. Today we're in Walmart in Florida. And we're gonna film everybody we see. Here we go. La 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 la. Look at the people over there. La 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 la. Oh no, someone walked past. Ah! Look! People everywhere. Yes, it is. Oranges, man. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Oranges. There's a guy. Yes. There's old lady, old lady, old lady, old lady, old lady, old lady. Hey, Pete. No, 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 look, Mexicans. Old lady in a chair, old guy in a chair. Look, I got really short shorts. Who wears short shorts? We wear short shorts. La 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 la. Vegetables. Everyone. Hello. Hi. Okay, where's everyone? Hi. Hi, old lady attack. My dad's pushing the buggy. Today we're going to the sour cream and dips.